Okay, let's start the class. Huh? So we are going to create this geometry first. Okay, and I have installed that software. Maybe no, I'll let you know how to basically get that part program also. Okay. So first of all, we are going to make this rectangular block of 125 mm both side, and after that, that another part is going to be like 5 mm offset from this center line, and 25 from this, and one more thing is there, that is basically 52 mm offset is also going to be there. So I'll just create this part first. Okay, so I'm minimizing this slide, bringing the software in. So yeah, one more thing I have added here, in view, no, sometimes that your XY coordinates are not available. So you need to go in that view and go on that show, okay, show the coordinates. You can click on this. So we'll go in that wireframe. We will take that rectangle. After taking that rectangle, we need to give that size. Okay, default that size is coming 125 and 125. You need to input that, and anchor is going to be the at the center. We can start. So just click enter over here, and after that you can just click, and you can plot here. Again you can give the distance. Okay, that was default over there. So we'll 125 over here and 125 on this side. So created our rectangle over here. Just do it. Okay, come outside. After that you can check out that offsets, that is offset of 5 mm and 25 mm. Okay, so we are going to create that offset. So before that we are going to take that reference line. Okay, I'll take that line over here, and I'll just create a reference line from this center to this center. Okay, and here if you are able to see, this is your offset identity. Okay, just click on this offset identity, and after that what we need to do, just click on this line, or you can write the distance, that is 5 mm, and after that just click on this and click on this side. After that you can click OK, again repeat the offset. Continuous also you can do after clicking this one over here. Now we need 25 mm, so just click on this line again and then click on this side. So now the offset is done. So one more offset we need to create over here. That offset is going to be like 52 mm. Okay, so what we are going to do is, we are going to give the offset. You can click here and you can continue again, or you can escape because it's not going to take that offset. So just click on offset again on the another side. Okay, now we need to create that line on the another side. I'll just create a line over here and just escape, take that offset again. So here we have like 5 mm, so just click on that offset. You need to give distance first. Okay, I just forget to give the distance, that is 27 from this side, and just click this side and just do it. Okay, now again I'm going to take that offset, that is 5 mm from this side. Now just click on this and click on this side. Okay, and one more offset is there, that is 52 mm. Okay, so this is basically I'm making references for this particular geometry. Okay, I'm taking these references. So here you can see 5 mm is there, 25 mm is there, below 5 mm, and then 27 mm, and this is your 52 mm. Okay, from this height. So I'm taking that 52 mm right now. So you can just click that 52 mm and just click on this and again click on over here. Okay, so almost the geometry is ready. Now one more offset I need, that is from this one to this one. Okay, that is also 52 mm. So after that just click OK. Now from this, now we are going to create our geometry. So if that view gets changed right now, you can just go with that top view. Okay, if it is basically little bit disturbed. So here what we need to do, we are going to use that fillet now. So what is that fillet? Fillet is basically 8 mm on the all sides. Okay, we are going to use fillet 8 mm all the sides. And one more thing is there. Yeah, you want to say something? Yes. Yes. Yeah, this drawing I'll give you, I'll share today. Yeah, fillet dimensions basically are not shown over here, that is 8 mm. I'll write and share with you. Okay, that radius of each and every corner is going to be 8 mm. Okay, yeah. So that basically is missing in the drawing, but it is 8 mm. So after that, what we have to do is we are going to just first create a line on that angle. You can see here there is a 15-degree line over here. Okay, so that line is going to be on 15 degree. What we are going to do, we are just going to take from that corner, this corner. Okay, so pick that line and click on this, and after that just create a simple line over here. And after that, what we need to do is we need to give the angle on that quadrant. You can say this is your first quadrant, this is your second, third and fourth. So it is going to be 360 minus 15. Just write that and enter. Okay, so that is done. Just do it. Okay, after that, what we need to do is we need to take that fillet basically is 8 mm. Default it has taken 8 mm. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are going to check our geometry first. So we know these all points basically are going to be the chamfers radius. So here you need to define, click on this and then this, click on this and this. After that obviously we need to go toward this side. Okay, so one line basically is missing over here, that is of 5 mm. Can you see here that reference line is missing? So we need to create that. Okay, we will create that line, so don't worry, just do it. Okay, and after that, what we need to do, we need to just take another offset over here, write 5 mm and just select this line and create this line and do it. Okay, okay, so you need to click on that. Okay, otherwise it's not going to come. So here I have got that. Again I am going to change that fillet 1 and 2. Okay, right now over here I am going to basically face that problem because this line need to meet this one. Okay, so what we need to do is we are going to increase the length. You can modify the length, you can just modify, and default it is 40, no problem. You can just click this. Now you need to omit this extra line from here. Okay, so what we are going to do is we are going to use divide. Just click on this, and after that this, and this one also we are not going to need. So here this one also, and above one also you can do it. This one also, this one and this one also. So what we need to do, we need to pick that radius again. So I'll pick that radius, and now I know this one and this one, this one and this one, and we know between this and this. Okay, and after that you have to omit these other lines. Just escape from that command of omit. So here we are going to just divide these lines now. Just omit this, even omit that. So just check out whether some lines are available. You can omit these all lines, just delete. Okay, now you can see here that one part of my geometry is ready. Okay, so just what we are going to do is we are going to go in transform now. Okay, so just escape, just do it. Okay, you have to go in the transform. Above on the tab you can see transform. Before that you have to select this geometry. Okay, just select this geometry. Fine, it is selected now. Just go in transform. You will get that mirror command over here. Okay, so just click on that mirror. You can see it has built that, how it is basically copied these all component, because I have taken that over here in that LED reselect option. You will see X and Y axis. If I am only going to do in X, it is going to take in that X axis only. Okay, if I am going to click on that Y, it is going to take on Y axis only. If I am going to take both, it is going to copy on the all sides. Okay, is it clear? So just do it. Okay, after completing that. So you can see here our geometry is ready. Now we need to extrude it, and that height is 25 mm. So just right click, and we are going to do it in isometric view. Go in that solid. After clicking on that solid, you need to click on extrude command. Okay, just click on extrude. When you are going to extrude, it is going to ask you the chain. So just give that outer chain. Okay, and just do it. Okay, now we need to give that height is 25 mm. Okay, just click and write 25 mm. After doing that, you can just change the directions also. We need it at that below section, okay, at the bottom of that plane. So just do it okay. Now just do it okay. Now we need to have an thickness of I think so it is 6 mm. Okay, it's 6 mm thickness. Okay, we need to cut that material of thickness 6 mm. So after that, what we need to do, just again go for that extrusion, select these all components, these all geometries, okay, and just do it okay. Now just go for that cut body. Okay, after going in that cut body, what we need to do, we need to give, so it is I think so I've done a mistake while choosing that, huh? Chain selections are wrong, that direction, it is coming from that thickness it is cutting. Okay, so right now just I am going to do like, I'll check it. Okay, once I check, then we will see. I am giving it 6 mm. Okay, so it is cutting like that, so we need to just cut that extrusion, create a single operation, not taking for the faces, both side. Okay, so I'm just cancelling it. I need to check it why it is taking on that single only. Okay, just closing down it. Now again, if I'm going to check it somewhere, no, that empty place is there. Can you see this? Yeah, there is basically that error in that making that profile. So you can make this profile now, and after that only what you need to do, you need to just cut that material 6 mm in that lower section. Okay, so I'll just go here and go for that new, I'll just import the geometry. Yeah, just open. I have made this file already. Yeah, so I'll go for that rough milling again. You can see now. Okay, it's going to be like this. Is it clear? Yeah, now a simple operation I'm going to take, that is going to be your milling machine rough milling. Okay, just click here and click on that default. Now we are in the operation. First of all, what we need to do, stock material, we need to check the stock material. Just click on this, it's a rectangular block, need to select that complete body and just end selection. After doing that and selection, no, these are that part you can place your coordinates. Okay, so right now obviously I need it at that center. I not want to change that. If you want to change that stock material, you can change that, but right now I'll take that one because that material is quite very much inside. So just do it okay. Now we will choose the tool path. Okay, we need the rough operation, that is area roughing. Okay, again I am telling you, I have told you before also, but in these type of operation you can see individually also you can perform this operation. Okay, so just click on that area. After clicking on that area operation, what we are going to do here is that wall, we are going to keep it 1. Okay, on the walls basically means these are that walls, we are going to leave stock material of 1 mm, and on that floor I want to cut that complete material, so I'll keep it 0. Okay, now we need to tell to the machine what is our workpiece. Okay, which is our workpiece. So below here, no, you will find that select identity, select your product, just click that product, and after that you need to choose the body. You can do Control A. Okay, because we need to perform that complete operation, so just do Control A and do AND selection. Okay, now we have selected our component. That complete component will show you that in green color. Okay, after that obviously the tool path is going to be important. Okay, we need to tell to that machine that what are going to be that boundaries, tool not need to come outside from that. So just click on this containment boundaries. Now you need to select the edge, or you can even select the face also. Okay, but here I am going to select that edge. So even in that 3D also, no, you can go here and select this. This is your loops. Okay, you have to select that 3D and then you need to go for that loop. Either you can go with the face. So I'll just click on this edge. It will automatically select the boundaries. What is the benefit is that tool is not going to move outside these boundaries. Okay, it is asking about only that. So you need to click OK. So I have given the chain also where the tool is going to move. After that, tool is going to be important. Okay, so which tool is going to be better for this roughing? So I am going to use that end mill over here. Okay, and mill of 10 mm. So just filter over here. You can give the dia of 10 mm over here, and this is my and mill. Okay, you need to click on that and mill over here and just do it. Okay, just click OK and filter. You will get that flat and mill of 10 mm. Just do it. Okay. Now we know that component is over here, that tool has been selected. Now obviously we will change the feed rate and the spindle speed. Okay, so feed rate I'm going to tell like 1600 over here, or you can take 1200, and here that spindle speed is going to be like 4500 for you. So you can change according, and after that we will go to the cut parameters. Okay, so in cut parameters, that step down, obviously we know the height, that is 6 mm. Okay, so it's going to come like in 6 cuts. It's going to cut the material, and here the diameter which is going to be used for cutting is going to be 45% for the dia of the tool. So here Techno, basically I told you, if I want to use some hard tool, I'll go in that mini wheel, and you can give the basically adjustments for that tool. Okay, so right now there is no need. Now the linking parameters are going to be important. So I'll change like clearance path, that is 25. Okay, that is the tool distance. Okay, I'm changing only that. So that is your part clearance and other things. So here obviously the major thing when we are going to talk about is the cutting parameters. Okay, up to where we are to cut. So that is going to be our parameter over there. So arc radius is there, position is there. These are basically the different distance angles. So you can just define these things, and even you can select those profiles you want to create. Okay, here already I have taken these all things, cutting parameters. These are basically that step that we need to cut. Okay, so after that sleeve, and this is going to be your linking parameters over here. So nothing we need to do over here now, just click it OK. Okay, let's see what basically it's going to work. Can you see now? So today now I'll show you the 3D operation. After that I'm going to bring out the part program also. Okay, so I'll try to do that if it takes, because I have installed another tool. So just what we are going to do, first we are going to check our component. First we are going to see that simulation, virtual simulation, how it is going to machine. Okay, now you can see 1 mm material on the walls it has left. Okay, so I'll just do it. Okay, we have seen that simulation already, we know how to see these all things, but that part program is going to be that major part today. Okay, so how we are going to do that, you need to click on this tool path group 1. Okay, click on tool path group 1, need to select it. After that you need to click on G1. So it has already, actually, in the morning it was working. Now again it has taken my license, that is of the student license. Now if you are going to click, see in your one is your cracked one, no? So in that, when you are going to run, no, it is going to take that same thing. It is going to, you need to click on that tool path group, and then you need to click on G1. Okay, so it's going to work in that case. Yeah, it has taken that student version again.